Silang Scalp Acne Care Kit. Ngayon lang ako naka-encounter ng set that specifically targets forehead and scalp acne. Parehas silang dermatologically tested, parehas merong salicylic acid, which is perfect. First, we have itong Vitanature Plus Calin Scalp Treatment Shampoo. This contains Bioscalp Defense Technology, so it combines first salicylic acid. So we all know that salicylic acid is an exfoliant, so it helps exfoliate the scalp and it treats yung excess oil that causes acne. That's why it makes sense kung bakit usually sa summer nagpipeak yung forehead and scalp acne ko because mas mainit kapag summer, so mas nag-oil yung scalp natin. This also contains black glutinous rice for hair growth and anti-hair fall, and this has natural extracts for strengthening and nourishing the hair. And next, we have itong Vitanature Plus Anti-Blemish Natural Whip Soap. So this one naman combines salicylic acid and niacinamide to help control oil, reduce bacteria buildup, and help fade acne scars. Usually kasi feeling natin pag bar soap, drying siya, tapos meron pa siyang salicylic acid. But I'm telling you, it's the exact opposite. So this one contains natural ingredients, so it doesn't harshly treat the skin. So this is really perfect to those na merong oily and acne-prone skin and even scalp. And I actually like using it with itong EcoNet when I use it on my body. Medyo nakaka-addict yung feeling niya kasi hindi siya yung type na masakit sa skin. I personally love how this set breaks the vicious cycle of having forehead acne. So it's one of the most stubborn problem areas when it comes to acne. So itong set na to, it provides both treatment and protection. So you don't have to buy separate products for hair fall, scalp health, acne. Kasi usually, di ba, iba-ibang products pa yung ginagamit natin for that. So with itong Vitanature Plus na Scalp Acne Care Kit, you target and treat all of those concerns all together.